This 2025 Palomino Columbus 388 FKH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features a taupe interior, sleeps 6, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, TV, external shower, awning, skylight, refrigerator, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Palomino Columbus 388 FKH is 14,494 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.